அந்த ஃபோட்டோவில் இருக்கிற பொண்ணுங்க மாதிரி.
Nayanthara has always featured in films in which sentiment plays a major role. In her latest film, Netrikan, adapted from the Korean film Blind, she channelized the Thambi sentiment. The 2011 release Korean film Blind gives an average thriller viewing experience. However, what really works in its favor is that it is a thriller with a female protagonist, and that is what makes it really refreshing. As usual, it is a film that completely rests on her shoulders and she doesn't disappoint at all. The film opens with a shot of Durga, a CBI officer, walking into a pub and dragging her brother out. She cuffs him to the passenger seat of her car and drives him home. Along the way, an altercation leads to an accident in which Adi gets killed and Durga loses her vision. Not on to valley in self-pity, she learns to survive on her despite her disability. As Durga tries to live with the guilt of her brother's death and coming to terms with her disability, she must confront a serial killer with only her intelligence at her disposal before he preys on more young women. Well, it is a straightforward cat and mouse game without unnecessary red herrings, where we could see the serial killer's face within a few minutes of the film. Plot focuses on how he will be caught rather than who he is. Netrikan works to a large extent because it's a safe remake of the original material. The direct Milind plays smartly by projecting the protagonist's emotional arc along with her bond with Manikandan, the not-so-bright cop, and Kaudam, the delivery boy, who soon becomes a surrogate brother for Durga. But Ajmal is slightly underwhelming as a serial killer, and he can barely give you the chills with his presence. Thankfully, Nayanthara does all the heavy lifting with a very strong performance till the end. This is not a top-notch thriller film that shakes your mind, but Milind manages to pull off the plot with a few nail-biting moments, especially a sequence that begins on a metro train, in which the villain stalks Durga and tries to kidnap her, and ends with a thrilling chase leaving us breathless for a few minutes. Technically speaking, Rajshekar's cinematography was compelling, especially the rainy and night shots, which intensify the thriller effect to an extent, and Girish's background score and music also shine out effectively. Overall, Netrikan is one of those safe remakes that works because it didn't try to tamper much with the soul of the original. You can watch Netrikan on Disney Hotstar Plus.